Welcome to Part 5 of Food Vocabulary. 41. Cook. Meaning, to prepare food by heating it. Example. My mother loves to cook. Synonyms: prepare, make. Antonyms: order. 42. Fry. Meaning, to cook food in hot oil. She is frying eggs. Synonyms: pan-fry. Antonyms: boil. 43. Boil. Meaning, to cook food in boiling water. Please boil the potatoes. Synonyms: simmer. Antonyms: fry. 44. Bake. Meaning, to cook food using dry heat in an oven. She likes to bake cookies. Synonyms: roast. Antonyms: boil. 45. Eat. Meaning, to put food into your mouth and swallow it. We eat dinner together every evening. Synonyms: consume, have. Antonyms: fast. 46. Drink. Meaning, to take liquid into your mouth and swallow it. I drink water after every meal. Synonyms: sip. Antonyms: pour. 47. Delicious. Meaning, having a very pleasant taste. The soup is delicious. Synonyms: tasty, yummy. Antonyms: tasteless. 48. Hungry. Meaning, wanting or needing food. I am hungry after school. Synonyms: starving. Antonyms: full. 49. Full. Meaning, having eaten enough food. I am full now. Synonyms: satisfied. Antonyms: hungry. 50. Restaurant. Meaning, a place where people pay to eat meals. We had dinner at a restaurant. Synonyms: eatery, dining place. Antonyms: home. Congratulations! You have completed the food vocabulary course. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. Subscribe to AVETRA EDU for more English lessons. See you in the next course.